Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Bumble application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Bumble application from your app drawer. Once you open up Bumble app, go ahead and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom left corner. Soon after you open up your profile, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will then open up the settings menu. Now, scroll all the way down and then tap on Logout. Make sure you remember your email address or your credentials that you've used. And if you do, you can simply tap on Logout once again so that you will be able to sign out of yourself on Bumble. So that is how you can easily log out of Bumble within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.